Subscribe for more videos. Class 8 Anupam Social Science. Part 1 Chapter 2I. Establishment of the company power. Solution. Exercises. I. Multiple choice questions, tick check mark the correct answer. 1. Which of the following is not correct answer? A. Battle of Plassey Robert Clive. B. First Mysore War Hyder Ali. C. Third Mysore War Lord Cornwallis. D. Battle of Buxar Mirf Jaffa. Answer D. Battle of Buxar Mirf Jaffa. 2. Arrange the following companies in the order in which they established their trading centers in India, starting with the first. A. The Portuguese. B. The French. C. The British. D. The Dutch. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. A, D, C, B, B. A, B, C, D. A, C, B, D, D. A, D, B, C. Answer A, D, C, B. 3. Who among the following was not involved in the conspiracy against Sirajuddaula? A. Manak Chand. B. Mir Jaffa. C. Mir Madan. D. Amy Chand. Answer C. Mir Madan. 4. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. Battle of Plassey 1757. B. Battle of Buxar 1764. C. Third Mysore War 1795. D. Fourth Mysore 1799. Answered C. Third Mysore War 1795. 5. Who among the following was not a Maratha chief? A. Scindia. B. Holkar. C. Nizam. D. Gayakwad. Answered C. Nizam. 6. Which one of the following became the first victim of Lord Dalhousie's doctrine of lapse? A. Sambalpur. B. Satara. C. Jhansi. D. Nagpur. Answer B. Satara. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. The British conquest of Bengal started with the Battle of Plassey. 2. Portuguese were the first Europeans to settle in the India for trade. 3. Queen Elizabeth I granted the charter to the British East India Company to trade with India. 4. The British set off their first factory at Surat. 5. Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan were the rulers of Mysore Kingdom. 6. The Battle of Plassey was fought between Robert Clive and Sirajuddaula. 7. Punjab was divided into 12 small kingdoms which were known as miles. 3. Right, true, false. 1. The French were the first Europeans to settle in India for trade. Answer false. 2. The Battle of Plassey completed the unfinished task of the Battle of Buxar. Answer false. 3. After the Battle of Plassey, Mir Jaffa was placed on the throne of Bengal. Answer true. 4. The Treaty of Allahabad was signed in the year 1765. Answer true. 5. Tipu Sultan was defeated in the Fourth Mysore War. Answer false. 6. The British got the Kohinoor diamond from the Sikhs. Answer false. 7. The doctrine of lapse gave Indian princes the right to adopt heirs. Answer true. IV. Give short answers to the following questions. 1. What do you mean by the term mercantilism? Answer. Mercantilism is an economic policy that is designed to maximize the exports and minimize the imports for an economy. It was an economic policy that gave rise to imperialism and colonialism among European nations. 2. Between whom were the Carnatic Wars fought? Answer. The Carnatic Wars were the battles that took place in the Carnatic region of South India during the period between 1746 and 1763. The French and the British were the two major contenders in this war. Apart from foreign rulers, Indian rulers also took part in these wars. 3. Who were involved in the conspiracy against Nawab Sirajuddaula? Answer. William Watts, the company representative at the court of Siraj, informed Clive about a conspiracy at the court to overthrow the ruler. The conspirators included Mir Jaffa, the paymaster of the army, Rai Durlabh, Yar Lutuf Khan and Omichund Amir Chand, a Sikh merchant, and several officers in the army. 4. Why did the company remove Mir Jafar and Mir Qasim from the throne of Bengal? Answer. The East India Company removed Mir Jafar and Mir Qasim from the throne of Bengal because they had an independent spirit and thus refused to dance on the tunes of East India Company. 5. How did the acquisition of Devani benefit the East India Company? Answer. The assumption of Devani helped the East India Company to maintain its offices, forts, buildings, company troops, and were able to purchase silk textiles and cotton in India. 6. What was the objective of Lord Dalhousie behind the doctrine of lapse? Answer. The doctrine of lapse was a political weapon used by Lord Dalhousie to expand the British Empire in India by acquiring more territories. The Hindu law permitted Hindu kings to adopt their successors, but, according to Dalhousie's doctrine, they had to seek the permission of the company to do so. 7. Which Governor-General annexed Punjab? Answer. In 1849 the East India Company defeated the Sikh Empire and annexed the Punjab region. The Governor-General of India, Lord Dalhousie, implemented a 3-member board of administration to govern the province. 8. Who was the last Nawab of Awadh? Answer. Mirza Wajid Ali Shah, the 30th of July 1822 to the 1st of September 1887, was the 11th and last king of Awadh, holding the position for 9 years, from the 13th of February 1847 to 11 February 1856. We answer the following questions. 1. Discuss the causes of Anglo-French struggle. Answer. The main reason behind the Anglo-French War was the dispute over colonial possessions in North America. This rivalry was further fueled by the prospect of trade in India as well. 2. Explain the results of Carnatic Wars. Answer. The main objective behind the Carnatic Wars was to gain trade and political supremacy in India. The final Carnatic War ended up in the favor of the English East India Company, after which the English East India Company gained trade monopoly and significant political power. 3. What were the chief causes of conflict between the Nawabs of Bengal and the East India Company? Answer. The Nawabs refused to grant the company concessions, demanded large tributes, denied the right to mint coins, and other benefits which company refused, and conflict between Bengal Nawabs and East India arose. 4. Explain the system of the subsidiary alliance. Answer. The subsidiary alliance system compelled Indian rulers to accept the East India Company's dominance over themselves in return for the company's promises to protect them against others. The first ruler of the subsidiary alliance was the Nizam of Hyderabad. 5. Write a short note on the annexation of Punjab in the British Empire. Answer. Most of the Punjab region was annexed by the East India Company in the 2nd of April 1849, and declared a province of British rule. It was one of the last areas of the Indian subcontinent to fall under British control. In 1858, the Punjab, along with the rest of British India, came under the direct rule of the British Crown. 6. How did the British defeat Tipu Sultan? Answer. In Mysore, Hyder Ali, the Sultan ruler of the Mysore state, fought against the British. After his death, his son, Tipu Sultan, fought against the British, died in 1799 during the Battle of Srirangapatna. Thus the British gained control over Mysore. 7. How did the British annex Awadh and what were its consequences? Answer. Awadh was annexed by the British on the charges of mismanagement in 1856. The annexation of Awadh led to the resentment among the local population against the unjust occupation of the state against the British. Now chapter is end. Next video chapter 2e or part 2 of this chapter. Solution. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos %.